Welcome back to IT Core channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on the dark mode on your PC. Dark mode means white text and black background. It's pretty cool and I suggest you to do so, especially for those people who spend long time staring at screen. Dark mode helps you to protect your eyes and decrease the blue light exposure. Also, it may increase the battery life on your device. The default settings on your PC, it will be the light mode with white background and black text as you see. Also, when you install any software on your PC, it will take the light mode as well. To turn on the dark mode on your PC, here from the bottom left corner, search about settings. Select setting, then click on personalization section. On the left hand side, select colors tab. Under colors tab, you can find this drop down list. Choose your color with the three choice. Light, which is the default settings. Dark, which you can select to turn on the dark mode on your PC for both Windows and software installed on your PC as you see here. And also you can select custom. It will give you the choice to select the default setting for Windows and software installed on your PC independently. Here is the dark mode with a black background and white text. Also, when you open and use the software installed on your PC, it will take the dark mode with white text and black background. It's pretty cool. You can give it a try. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.